All right, so first things first, I'm gonna have to move all of this junk, which is gonna suck. But as promised, I do got the microphone on for you. So this audio should be way better. I'm excited to hear it. I know it'll sound better for you guys too. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get all this crap out of the way because I want to start in that corner, work our way around. So here we go. All right. About time that stupid thing shut off. So, I don't know if you picked it up or not, but I got to use longer nails to nail this into the 2x4, but the framing stops right here. So anything over here is just going into the drywall. So I had to get shorter nails to put in here, and I was worried that it wasn't even gonna work, but it took pretty well. So happy with this panel. Onto this panel, it's gonna be a little trickier. And then we're just gonna start flying. So here we go. Starting to really come along here, but you can see that it's not exactly perfect along the top here. Got quite a bit of gap. So I'm gonna make this one just a touch longer, so that should help with that. However, that's especially why I wanna do like some sort of crown molding here, and then that'll cover all of that all together anyways, so I won't even have to worry about it. So still gonna add a touch on this one, but not too horribly worried about it. We're definitely gonna have to need to use some trim here, and then the bottom will be covered with flooring anyways, so none of that matters either. But this is coming up along good. I like it, it looks good. Looks a whole lot better than just plain drywall. I'm excited to see the rest of it, so let's get back to it. Alright, so what we're doing right now is taping this up so we can't possibly forget, and then we'll just spray paint all down this seam. It'll cover all that up, make it look perfect. So just get that done real quick here. Done. All right, one full wall, done. All the way from one corner to the other. I personally think, hang on. Oh, now I can hear myself talk. Probably stop yelling at you. Yep, mic's still working. All right, that's good. I hope this mic works for you guys. I hope it sounds good, and we'll go from there, I guess. I guess I'll know sooner than you will since I'll edit the video, but you guys will have to let me know if this mic sounds good or not. There is still a possibility that there is a setting I'm playing with that we could fix this or not, but so wall to wall looks good. I think this looks amazing. I'm super excited with how it's turning out. It's attached to the wall really nicely. I was worried about, since this is used paneling, I was worried about it. That's not a nail. All right, I thought I had a nail sticking out there. So I was worried about it adhering itself, but it's worked perfectly. So now the hard wall, and I say the hard wall because it has electrical outlets. Now it's used paneling, so there are outlets already cut in some of the panels. And I don't know if you guys can see it, and I can't even find it now, and I'm the one who put it there. There's actually a cut. Here it is. You can't see it, so if I couldn't see it, you definitely can't see it. There was a panel right here. So there's no way you guys can see that because I can't even see it. So it is possible to patch them. Man, it's really echoing in here. We'll have to fix that when we get flooring, but it is possible to patch them. So, but I'm gonna hope to line up the panels exactly so that the hole matches. And I'm hoping, since this is the 7-foot ceiling and where they come from is an 8-foot panel, I'm hoping I can cut them just right so that I can put them right on and I don't have to mess with cutting holes. But we'll see how that goes. On to the next wall. All right, that's it. Got the paneling up, both walls, good to rock and roll. Man, I think it looks great. I think it turned out amazing. You know, I'm really getting used to this mic. I just turn around. You can't hear me if I turn around, but you can because I got the mic. Lights are up, roof's painted. Roof? This to be the ceiling? Whatever. You know what I mean. Ceiling's painted, sides are done. All that's left now is for some trim up top. We obviously have to do the floor still. And then I got to trim around all this, figure out, I don't know what I'm going to do here. I wonder, yeah, I don't know what I want to do here. This is still a mystery. But I'll go ahead and end this one off here. If you made it this far, go ahead and click the like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe so you don't miss any more content. And I'll see you in the next one.